The cleaning process must be done every day at the end of the day. So first, you take out the drip tray, you empty the used grounds. You then take off the lid and you get rid of any wastewater. Replace the drip tray. Back in the machine. You go into the cleaning, maintenance, you select OK. Milk system cleaning, you take out the pipe, you put it into some water and you add your cleaning solution to the water. I've already added it, and you press OK. And OK again, that's just giving you some directions there. And now it will clean the milk foaming system first, and then we will rinse it with, I'll just put that in there. Let's see. So now cleaning the milk system. And we will now use fresh water for the final rinse. It's fresh water, no detergent in it, and OK again. Just going through its final checks, resetting itself for the next day. Completed. Ready for the next day.